Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to another video। तो फिर से सभी का स्वागत है और एक ब्रांड न्यू वीडियो में। एंड टुडे वी आर बैक विद अनदर Adobe products। Okay, but before that I know I need to show you guys some what to say, some reviews। Okay, so let me show you some reviews। So as you guys can see, this is our review section, and you can go to Trustpilot and search for cheapergames.org or in। We have bought both domains, ठीक है, उधर जाके आप लोग सर्च कर सकते हो। we have made already more than 250 reviews, positive reviews in 1.5 month, and you can see all the not logins, all the reviews here. Also we have uploaded the hard copy of our reviews। Okay, so you don't believe that all are fake. There was a lot of more reviews, but I have recently deleted it for some reason, so you can check it out here। I will leave all the link in the description। So the catch is here that we have ये जो वीडियो है ये Adobe Photoshop के होने वाला है, ठीक है, Photoshop में होने वाला है। and I will give you great offers of Adobe Photoshop, and if you are watching from outside of India you can also buy, but you have to request us payment link in the secret group or Discord। Okay, so let me show you। so website का नाम आपको मालूम है, cheapergames.org or in both you type, it will work। and if you go to our website and search for Adobe, so if you search for Adobe, so you can see here total there are 3 products। Okay, so let me show you the first one and second one and third one। so this is the first one। as you guys can see, title clearly mentions that Adobe Creative Cloud photography plan and Photoshop and Lightroom only। so here you will get Photoshop and Lightroom for 3, 6, 12 months, whichever you want you can select and buy it। okay, so it's clear it has full warranty है इसका, आपको दिख सकते हो इधर full warranty है। and any issue we will replace and you will get this on your mail। okay, on your mail we will invite you and you can use it easily। so the second products come here। तो second product जो है फुल वारंटी रहेगा, सारे प्रोडक्ट में फुल वारंटी रहेगा 1 साल का, या फिर जितना आप लोगे उतने, ठीक है। इधर देख सकते हो Adobe Creative Cloud with any single app। so you can choose any single app of your choice। so जो भी आपको ऐप चाहिए वो आपको चॉइस, मतलब वो चॉइस से आप लोग हमको बोलोगे कि भाई मुझे ये ऐप चाहिए, you have to say me that I want this app for 12 months and we will active that on your account। okay, this also same feature, full warranty 12 months। and the third product you can see guys, Adobe Creative Cloud all app at cheap price। you can see 3, 6 and 12 months we have 3 options। all the apps will come in this subscription, सारे apps आएगा and full warranty होगा जितना दिन का आप लोगे, ठीक है, जितने साल के लोगे, जितने महीने के लोगे, फुल वारंटी रहेगा। एंड बाय नाउ करने पे आपको व्हाट्सएप पे डिलीवरी होगा, कोई ईमेल नहीं, डायरेक्ट व्हाट्सएप में आप मेरे साथ बात करोगे, मैं आपके साथ बात करूंगा, उधर ही डिलीवरी हो जाएगा आपका मेल पे। आपसे मैं मेल लूँगा एंड पासवर्ड नहीं चाहिए, बस मेल एड्रेस चाहिए एंड मेल एड्रेस पे मैं डिलीवरी कर दूंगा। so that's it for this video guys, and it was damn pretty simple I guess to I could explain you guys। and अगर कोई भी आपको इशू है, दिक्कत है, मुझे कमेंट में बोलना। एंड जितने भी हमारा लिंक्स है गाइस, फटाफट से ज्वाइन कर लो, डिस्क्रिप्शन पे लिंक्स होगा, जल्दी से ज्वाइन कर सकते हो। एंड वी आर मेकिंग मोर एंड मोर कंटेंट so that we can update our YouTube channel also, because editing takes a lot of time। so I don't think this kind of video needs any type of editing at all। we just have to announce our product and show you guys what we have। so yeah, that's it for this video। love you all guys, thank you so much for watching, till then take care, peace out and keep shopping। visit your website, I am saying the name again, cheapergames.org or cheapergames.in, both you can visit and buy 100% legit। you can check the reviews and scroll through all, जितने भी links है नीचे रहेगा, सब में join कर लो। we have BGMI accounts too, so do check out and thank you so much for watching। take care, bye bye and peace out।